this sage. Does eating raw bacon cause negative health effects?
Yes, and the bacon's for tomorrow night's dinner, so please put it away.
Aww.
You do get some good storms here. Kat is round this side just now videoing. I'm videoing the front, and there's more lightning coming in from this side as well. Super cool! We're going to be in for a good night of it. Oh, go home, little bird, go home. Oh, that was a bat flying past, I think, and possibly a moth. Pretty cool. You may hear Bob shouting in the background. He's a terribly overexcited 6-year-old. Oh, my arms are getting tired. It's quite annoying, we've got a street light right out here, so it's not dark. Wow. These two fronts are joining together right over the top of us right now. There's the kids coming back in.
Big man.
Shush, Bob.
Oh, make sure you don't get hit by lightning.
Oh, you're standing next to a huge tree.
Sorry, they want to go to the trampoline.
I know. I'm going to stop there for just now. We'll see who gets some more.